we got Kitty versus Teddy. Fight! Ooh, Kitty's preparing for an attack. Teddy jumps back. He knows defense. Weave. 3 times, 4 times it gets tail whipped. Five-piece combo. Boom, boom. Weave. Ooh. He's got hit still. Ooh. You know, Teddy's normally a defensive type. Sometimes he'd be running him over, though. I was not expecting this, though. I was expecting him to be defensive since the Kitty always attacks. Weave. Teddy comes in, sniffs him real quick. He got this target in sight. He's going to come take him down. Ah! Keep sniffing him and knock him. Kitty got killed. KO. Winner. Winner. Our winner is Teddy. KO. So, how does it feel to get ran over? This is like your 5th time he ran you over in a fight. Now you're swimming on the floor? Oh, you want your revenge? Give me you.